Hello, hello everybody. Good morning. If you are looking to migrate your Tally data to another ERP like SAP, Microsoft, Navision, or any of the SAP Tally, OEM partner, Navision, OEM partners, please do consider services. The three-step processes: migrate to Turbo Data SQL Server Tally, which brings the on-fly calculations of Tally. The year whatever is here is an on-fly calculation. So we have actually documented everything, and we're going to give the same to you. The documentation is here, and then this thing, then choose your ERP and then Turbo Data to help migrate to data with the new with the business logic. The key features are the single table. तो हम लोग basically we bring all the Tally data onto a single table along with the business logic. जैसे कि आपको ये दिखेगा, है ना? This is all documented, and we also document whatever is the Tally business logic here. तो आपको पूरा का पूरा इस सिंगल टेबल से आप किसी भी ईआरपी पे डेटा जो है खड़ाक से ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना? What are the immediate gains? You will immediately gain either way faster reports, customizable reports, and very quick implementation of and modularized implementation of ERP of your choice. Thank you.